Hello everybody, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use and operate your new Eagle wireless bases. So let's get started with that. First thing, this is the device, and I just give you a quick overview of all the different plugs. So in the front here we have of course our antenna connector. This is a reverse pull N-type connector. This here is the antenna that comes with the device. You can of course also connect here industrial cable, RF cable, to make a longer connection to an external antenna. If you need any adapters, cables or Yagi antennas or other antennas for the outdoor use, you can contact us. We have those, or we can tell you where to get them in your country. So then this one here is the indicator that shows if you have RF stuff ongoing, any wireless communication. Then this one here is the indicator for the phase 3 in, so for the power digital network input. Then below here is the charge plug, and these three, you will see this in a second, will show you in which mode you are, and these two indicate you which of the slave bases you are checking. Over here we have the output, the PD output section. So let's say this one here is a receiver, a slave base. Then you have here three power digital outputs. This here indicates the output operations, and with this key you can enable the outputs, or you can disable the outputs, or you can even turn over to here and use the remote pickle that you know from the FCA and the FCE Raptor here to, let's say, put another spotter close to wherever this device stands, so you have someone who has got a second enable in hand. Okay, and the back side of the device, with this not too much stuff, we have here a connector for the external power supply, so you can supply your device from 110 using this supply, and the supply gives this one here DC current. Here this one is a extra vent that gives ventilation to the housing, so you don't have any moisture accumulation inside the housing. The device out of the box comes with these feet, but you also have the option to use these ones here to mount these on the bottom side, and these let you lift the device from the ground. Let's say if you put it into the field, in the grass, or somewhere outside on the floor. Also, you can use these angles that come with the device to mount the whole thing into a 19-inch rack. And also coming in the box are these two handles that you see here mounted on this device. So all the stuff comes with the device in the box, and you can choose how to make use of it. So just put this stuff aside. And of course you also find the charger that you can connect here. The external power supply is not included, but you can get in contact with us to purchase it. This one goes to the backside connector.